You have been completely lied to about the stock market. Every day, millions of Americans open their brokerage ops thinking they are going to get rich quick. But the brutal reality, nearly 99% of amateur stock pickers and day traders end up losing their money. Why? Because you are playing a rigged game of poker. Imagine sitting at a table where the guy across from you can secretly see your cards, has unlimited chips, and literally owns the casino. That is exactly what happens when you try to compete against Wall Street supercomputers. But here's the crazy twist. Wall Street isn't even your biggest enemy. You are. When the market flashes red, your ancient monkey brain panics and forces you to sell your stocks at the absolute bottom. Then, when your annoying neighbor suddenly gets rich off a random meme stock, your brain gets jealous, forcing you to buy in at the absolute peak. It is a vicious cycle of buying high and selling low. You are paying the dumb money tax. The only way to actually win? Stop trying to outsmart the casino. Buy the whole casino through a simple index fund and go to sleep.